Is your Windows 11 PC showing errors like "We can't activate Windows on this device, your Windows license will expire soon," and "We can't connect to your organization's activation server"? If yes, then don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you simple, safe and permanent method to fix Windows activation problems, including license key errors, server issues and update related problems. So make sure you watch carefully till the end and follow the steps exactly. So let's get started. First, let me quickly show you the error. Right click on Windows Start and go to Settings. And then go to System. Here you may see message like "We can't activate Windows on this device," "Invalid license key" or "Organization activation service error." Don't worry, the fixes are the same for all Windows activation errors. If the activation window refuses to open, press Windows plus R. Here type SLUI space 3. Now click OK. Then this will open the same activation screen manually. Once you are on the activation page, click on Troubleshoot. Windows will now automatically detect activation problems, verify your license, and try to automatically activate your copy. Please wait until the process completes. Now you should see Windows is activated using your organization's activation service. If you purchased a genuine Windows key, you can also click Change Product Key. Now enter your license key and click Next. Now Windows will validate the key and activate your system. If activation still doesn't work, the next step is to scan and repair system files. So open CMD as administrator. Now type this command sfc /scan now and then press enter. This will repair corrupted activation related system files. As you can see, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. If SFC doesn't work, then it will show message like Windows Resource Protection finds some corrupted files but unable to fix them. Don't worry, that simply means some deeper system files are damaged. To fix that, you will need to use a more advanced repair method. I already created a detailed tutorial for this exact problem. So make sure to check that video if this message appears. After the scan finishes, restart your PC. After restarting, open CMD as administrator again and run this command slmgr /ato and then press enter. This will re-register your Windows key with Microsoft Server or your organization's activation system. Once completed, you will see product activated successfully. Now restart your PC again to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Windows activation issue should now be fully resolved. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support is really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.